Hello everyone, I am here back with another Bitcoin technical analysis. This is very urgent. We have a lot of stuff to talk about. I will be doing a technical analysis, so make sure to hit the like button and watch the whole video. Very important. This is DC trading. With that said, let's get right into it. As you guys know, we're looking at the volume right now. A lot of volume is going on around this area. As you guys can see, it is selling off right now. As you guys can see, if we look in the shorter time frame, let's look at the 15-minute. A lot of sell-off has been happening. Also, guys, if you scope out, we can see a descending channel forming. Even though this is bearish, we are almost at the bottom of the support line, which is a very strong support line of the $20,000. So the chances of us breaking through that is very low. This is why I do believe we have a higher chance of, probably bouncing off this white line right here. As you guys can see right now, it is happening. It touched the white line, bounced back up. We're gonna have to wait a few hours to see what happens as it bounce back up. Do people start buying in around this area? Is there a lot of buying power around this area? If there is, we can see a bounce back up, and hopefully it will break through, guys. It's a higher chance of Bitcoin breaking through the line above here and possibly going all the way to 21,600, a major resistance line. As you guys know, as I said in the previous videos of right here, 21,600 around this area, we did break through, but we failed again right here, as you guys can see right here. And the reason why people got liquidated around this area, and this is why we saw a big dump, and people have been losing their money, got liquidated, but there are more buyers coming in every time it goes down. So we're going to have to see, guys. It's going to test out this at the 15-minute. If we look at the 30-minute also, we see we're in the oversold right now. A lot of stuff is happening. You see right here, the volume the past 30 minutes is very high. People are selling or getting liquidated. As you guys can see right now, currently, it is, a lot of selling off going on right now. Or they're getting liquidated. As you guys can see right now on this volume, not a lot of stuff is happening. That's why we're going to test it. As I said, a lot of buying, people are coming in and on Bitcoin and buying because of this strong support of $20,000. So yes, guys, I do believe there is a higher chance that we break through the upside to 21,600, another support line, or not support, resistance line for Bitcoin, just because we are already very low on this strong support of 20,000. Every time they touch 20,000, a lot of buyers come in and start buying on Bitcoin, which is the reason why, even though this is a descending pattern, we are eventually going to have to break through. It's just the nature of trading, guys. This is how it is. As you guys can see, people are buying. That's why it went down, but a lot of buyers are coming in around this 20,200 level. But if we break through, guys, to the downside, and we pass 20,000, we can possibly see it touch again $17,000. It can possibly go back to 17,000, and that's very dangerous. As you guys can see, overall, if you look bigger picture of what's happening right here, descending channel, but it's a higher chance of them buying in again, because if you look right here also, they just bought right here around this area, around 20,268. Same right here. We're going to see something similar to this, and it's going to probably test the resistance line again. So I want to make this channel or this video very quickly, just to inform you guys to be aware of Bitcoin, of what can happen in the next few hours. As you guys can see, it is selling off, but it's holding up very well on this white line that I drew right here, because it's a descending triangle, and people seem to be buying right around this area. With that said, if you guys look right here also, it did touch this area, and people bought again, as you guys can see. So we're going to see something similar to that. Hopefully it's going to test it again and break through. But with that said, this is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Very, very important.